Welcome back to Reviewsinside TV, where we bring you the most detailed, honest, and up-to-date reviews. Today, we're talking about the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum. It's designed to make cleaning up after your furry friends a little easier, and we'll explore exactly how it stacks up when it comes to real-world use. Whether you're tackling pet hair on furniture, cleaning your car interior, or reaching tight spaces, this handheld vacuum promises a lot. But does it live up to those promises? Let's find out. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is a cordless hand vacuum built with pet owners in mind, and it packs a punch with its motorized foot for deep suction, making it ideal for cleaning carpets and upholstery. This vacuum's dual-layer filtration system helps trap dust and debris, while the included accessories, such as the Crevice tool and Upholstery tool, expand its versatility. The motorized brush allows for a deeper clean, especially on surfaces where pet hair can be a challenge, like fabric or carpeted areas. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry, so it's convenient for quick cleanups in the home, car, or any hard-to-reach spaces. With the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser, pet owners should appreciate the fact that it comes equipped with a motorized brush, which means it can deal with stubborn pet hair more effectively than many other hand vacuums. Its performance on various surfaces like carpets, furniture, and car interiors seems promising, thanks to its powerful suction. The inclusion of the Crevice tool allows you to clean tight spots, while the Upholstery tool, complete with felt, makes it easy to lift pet hair from soft surfaces like couches or your pet's favorite chair. The cordless feature is also a major perk, giving you freedom to clean just about anywhere. As for battery life, it's something we always like to test during real-world use. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser can run for about 15 to 20 minutes on a full charge, depending on the power setting you use. While this might be sufficient for small messes or spot cleaning, it might leave you wishing for more runtime if you're tackling bigger jobs. A larger battery or longer runtime would make it more versatile, especially for larger spaces or multi-room cleanups. However, the compact, cordless design is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy to grab and go, even for a quick touch-up after your pet has left a trail of fur. Now, let's talk about its performance in some key areas. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser works well on hard floors, picking up fine dust and crumbs with ease, but its real strength lies in cleaning carpets and upholstery. The motorized brush gives it extra suction power, which helps lift embedded dirt and stubborn pet hair from fabric. When cleaning pet hair from your car interior, the Crevice tool is extremely useful for getting into those narrow gaps between seats or in other tight spots. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One thing to note is that this vacuum can be a bit loud on higher suction settings. While it's not unbearably noisy, it might be a bit much if you're sensitive to sound, especially when trying to clean in a quieter environment. Also, if you're cleaning long pet hair or human hair, you'll need to make sure to clean out the brush roll after each use to avoid tangling and clogging. Another minor drawback is the size of the dirt bin. While it's easy to empty, if you're cleaning up a lot of debris, you might find yourself needing to empty it more frequently than you'd like. However, considering the vacuum's small size and portability, it's a small trade-off for convenience. Also, the filtration system, while effective, can require occasional maintenance to keep it working optimally. Fortunately, Bissell's dual-layer filtration system is designed to last longer and make cleaning it a bit easier. For the price, this handheld vacuum offers solid value for money, especially if you're specifically looking for something to tackle pet hair. In terms of competing products, you might consider models like the Shark Pet Perfect 2 or the Dyson V7 Trigger, which are similarly priced but offer different features. While the Dyson has a bit more power and longer runtime, the Bissell excels at pet hair removal with its motorized brush, and it's a bit more compact. The Shark Pet Perfect 2 is another option to consider for its slightly larger dirt bin, but it doesn't come with the same level of accessories as the Bissell. When it comes to build quality, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser feels solid but lightweight. It's made with durable plastics that don't feel flimsy, but it's not the kind of vacuum you'd want to drop from a height. As far as maintenance goes, Cleaning the brush roll and the filters is a straightforward process, and the vacuum doesn't require much beyond the basics to keep it running smoothly. The motorized brush does tend to get a bit messy with long hair, but it's easy enough to clean if you stay on top of it. Bissell has a pretty good track record with customer support, and if you run into any issues, they're typically quick to respond and offer solutions. However, given the relatively simple nature of this hand vacuum, most users likely won't need much support unless something goes wrong with the motor or battery. As for updates, the Pet Hair Eraser is a pretty straightforward device without any smart features or app integrations, so there's no need to worry about firmware updates. In summary, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser cordless hand vacuum is a solid choice for anyone looking to tackle pet hair around the house or in the car. It offers strong suction, good filtration, and handy accessories for detailed cleaning. Its relatively compact size, portability, and motorized brush make it a standout for pet owners. However, it's not without its drawbacks, such as shorter battery life and occasional maintenance needs. If you're in the market for a handheld vacuum that specializes in pet hair removal, and you're willing to work around some of its minor inconveniences, this could be a great option. If you're still on the fence, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to Reviewsinside TV. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can keep up with all the latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, the link to grab this vacuum can be found in the comments box. Let me know if you've already used it or if you're thinking about giving it a try. Until next time, keep those messes at bay. And remember, there's always a vacuum for every mess at Reviewsinside TV.